Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Drone time already. I'm on the east end of Quartzsite. Just got some fuel. Came over here where the truck's parked. Today is Tuesday, November 5th. All day long. Ain't much happening. Town is really empty still. You know, you always get right around the end of October, you get a blast of people coming in, and mainly vendors setting up, and some of the long-termers that are going to camp here the whole season. Then it kind of slows right back down. See more four-wheelers out, though. Just seeing a group go out. That's pretty cool. I'm going to get the buggy out later today, too. Anywho, just a quick drive through town, see what's going on. I'm heading right back up to Havasu. Going to be filming up there. You guys going to see some videos out of Havasu now. Love it up there. It's beautiful. That lake, all kinds of stuff. But we'll get into that in future videos. So let me get landed. And then we'll take a drive through, see what's up. Okay, here we go. The winds finally calmed down. Man, last week it was just every day, all day long. Weekend was nice. I kind of took a couple days off too. I need a little break from it all. So let's head down Main Street, make a cruise through town, and get the buggy out later. We'll go terrorize something with that. Yeah, it was sure a change of weather after all those wind events. Fall is definitely here in the desert, which yesterday it was almost 90 degrees. And it's supposed to be in the high 80s, low in the 50s, which is picture perfect. Yay! And mild wind, breezy. We can live with that. That's what being here in the desert is all about. You know, I watch that Weather Channel, and my goodness, some of the parts of the country are already getting hammered pretty good, cold weather. Okay, don't forget about Reader's Oasis bookstore there on the right. Joanne is still running it. I don't know what their hours are, kind of varies, but you'll see it. If the doors are open, get in there and shop. They definitely can use the business, and helps her keep that store going. Okay, up here's the dollar store. You can see the parking lot's still pretty empty. The town is not that busy yet. And it won't be till, oh goodness, way after Thanksgiving. And then Quartzite really explodes after Christmas, when all the big shows. You can see Crawford's there on the left. There's hardly any rigs in there. Just quiet. This is a very quiet month, November, here in Quartzite. A lot of people travel through now. There's tons of them going down to Yuma. Which Yuma's a big time town. They got all the big stores, and they got massive RV resorts and parks down there. And you can camp. There is BLM camping. Okay, we're getting up here to the intersection. This is Main and Central. To the left, you go down to Yuma. To the right, you go up towards Parker. That little bakery and coffee shop to the right, it's called the Marketplace. Just opened back up. So it'd be just down Central, about a block on the left. Be sure to stop in and say hi to them. Let them know you've seen it on RVerTV. And you can see right there on the right, High Alley. That's about the only true flea market left in Quartzsite. They sell all the old junk. Good stuff. They're getting more and more vendors set up. We're crossing over Tyson Wash here. And up here you'll see Holiday Palms, Hasslers, 88 Shades. They're getting a few rigs in there, not too many. There's also a ATV rental guy setting up here somewhere. So it looks like they might be renting ATVs here. Working on a video for Tyson Wells. Have any of you ever thought of being a vendor here in Quartzsite? Leave it down in the comments if you have, because I'm going to be putting out some information about that probably in the next video or two. Should be this week. Okay, up here where the big yellow tank is the vendors of Main Street. Sure, stop in, see K&B Tool, and also Ken's Discount Groceries. Always stop and say hi. Both of them are Ken. There's a Ken that owns K&B and a Ken that owns a grocery in there. Stop in and say hi to them guys. Let them know you've seen it on RVerTV. Okay, up here's where the truck stops are. This is a trucker town here, Quartzsite. Pilot, that's where that fire was. They're really working fast on repairing all that fire damage from last month. Steve Hardy on the right. Always stop and say hi to Steve Hardy. Custom Tire there on the right. Say hi to David. Stop in, let them know you've seen on RVerTV. They also are selling RV parts. He can get them. He can order them in. They do oil changes on ATVs, all kinds of stuff. I'm going to do a video pretty quick about them guys too. So Custom Tire, don't forget that. Alright, let's cross over the freeway. Interstate 10, this is the world famous exit 17. Busiest intersection in January you'd ever want to try. It's mainly the truckers. I mean, you can't blame them. You know, they're close to the California border. They want to get fuel. And you got Love's Truck Stop and Pilot here. And they do stop. Okay, we're going to make a left up here on Kewen. Looking forward to get the Dusty Nugget, the buggy, out today. Should be a nice day. It's warming up. Right now it's about 60, 64 degrees it looks like. Okay, we're heading towards the east on Kewen. Tyson Wells just set up a Facebook page called Tyson Wells Market Center. Be sure to check it out. They're going to be posting all the new vendors setting up, when they're setting up, and what they're selling. Once again, that's on Facebook. Okay, now you've seen it here first. Anyway, I had some errands to do. Want to take the buggy out. You'll see that next video. We'll take it out for a ride. Go tear up something. Then also go up Havasu. I want to take a boat ride this week. Maybe we'll go across that big old lake. Check it out. Then go on from there. Definitely a lot of camping. A lot of things to do up around that region. Also, I want to go up around Laughlin again. Up around the Avi. Maybe we'll do that later this month. Plus, don't forget the van build starts this weekend. There's Tyson Wells Game Store. That is just an incredible place that Kim Scott set up there. Thousands of games. Check it out. Sure to say you've seen it on RVerTV. You can see some of the seasonal guys. guy there on the left looked like he's setting up a couple tents. So they're getting here. Okay, and don't forget, if you want to learn more about being a vendor here and what it takes and all that, leave it down in the comments. Leave your questions down there, because I'm working on that video now and I'll try to answer them all. So be sure to put it down in the comments. Anything and everything you can think of about vending here in Quartzsite and trying to make money. Alright, gonna go get the buggy out. Talk soon.